Hello student, good morning. Today's we are going to learn class 10 science. Student, today's our topic is lesson number 4, metals and non-metals. Occurrence of metals and non-metals. Out of the 92 natural occurring elements, 17 are metals and about 22 are non-metals. Some elements show properties of both metals and non-metals. They are called metalloids. Only some metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. are found in the free state. Most metals are found in the combined state as the oxides, sulfides, carbonates, silicates, etc. Some nonmetals are found in free state like helium, neon, argon, etc. and some are found in free and combined state like sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Metallurgy. Metallurgy is a science of extraction of metals from their ores and their purification. Minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances containing one or more elements of their compounds, or is a minerals from which one or more metals can be extracted profitably. Metallurgical process consists of three main steps. They are concentration of ore, reduction and refining. Concentration of the ore. In this process, removal of impurities from the ores. Reduction. In this process of obtaining the metals from its compound. Refining. It is the process of purification of the impure metals to obtain the pure metals. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. First, metals. Metals are solid at common temperature and pressure except mercury. Second, metal are hard except sodium, potassium, etc. Third, metal have metallic clusters. Fourth, metal have high melting point and boiling point. 5. Metals are malleable, can be made into thin sheets. 6. Metals are ductile, can be made into thin wire. 7. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity due to presence of free and mobile electrons. And metals are sonorous, produce sound. Physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas. Number second, non-metals which are solid, brittle. Example, diamond is hardest. Non-metals do not have lusters. Some have a dull lusters. Non-metal have low melting points. Non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are not ductile. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Non-metals are not sonorous like metal. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. First, reaction with oxygen. Metal react with oxygen to form metallic oxide. These oxides are basic oxides because they react with water to form base. For example, magnesium burn in the presence of air to form magnesium oxide. These magnesium oxide react with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Equation: 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. MgO, magnesium oxide, react with water, then magnesium hydroxide is obtained. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. Non-metal. Non-metal react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide. These oxides are acidic oxides because they react with water to form acids. For example, sulfur burn in air to form sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide react with water and form sulfurous acid. For example, S means sulfur plus O2, SO2 sulfur dioxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide plus H2O water, then H2SO3 sulfurous acid is obtained. Reaction with water. Metals react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen. For example, sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. Equation 2Na plus 2H2O. After the reaction, 2NaOH sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas release. Magnesium react with water to form magnesium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. Mg plus H2O. After the reaction, MgOH twice magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas release. Non-metals do not react with water. Reaction with acid. Metal react with acid to form metallic salt and release hydrogen gas. For example, zinc metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen. This method mainly used for the preparation of hydrogen gas in laboratory. Zn plus 2HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2. Most non-metals do not react with acid. Some non-metals like sulfur react with concentrated nitric acid to form sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and water. Metal replace metal. A more reactive metals replace less reactive metals from its salt solution. For example, magnesium metal replace copper from copper sulfate solution to form magnesium sulfate and copper. For example, Mg plus CuSO4 magnesium plus copper sulfate solution. MgSO4 magnesium sulfate plus copper. Zinc replace copper from copper sulfate solution to form zinc sulfate and copper. Zn plus CuSO4 means zinc plus copper sulfate. After the reaction, ZnSO4 plus Cu. Iron replace copper from copper sulfate solution to form iron sulfate and copper. Based on the reactivity of metals, they can be arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. Activity series of metals. The arranging of metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity is called activity series of metals. Potassium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, gold. Arrow decreasing order of reactivity means gold is less reactive and potassium is highly reactive. Noble metals. Metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. retain their lusters because they do not react with air, water or acid, so they are called noble metals. Gold dissolve in aqua regia. Aqua regia mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid in the ratio of 1:3. Pure is 24 karat gold. It is very soft and cannot be used for making ornaments, so it is mixed with some silver or copper to make it hard. Uses of metals. Iron. Iron is used for making pin, nails, nuts, bolt, tools, machines, constructions of building, bridge, etc. Aluminium. It is used for making utensil, wire, furniture, parts of aircraft, vehicles, machines, for packing foods and medicines, etc. Copper. It is used for making wire, vessels, electric gadgets, etc. Gold. It is used for making jewelry, coins and medals. Silver. It is used for making jewelry, coins and medals. Platinum. It is used for making jewelry, electric gadgets, plugs in vehicles, etc. Sodium. compound are used as common salt, chemicals, etc. Calcium compounds are used for making cement, glass, etc. Uses of non-metals. Sulfur is used for making sulfuric acid, salt of metals, etc. Oxygen. Oxygen is used for respiration by living things, burning of fuels, etc. Nitrogen is used for making ammonia, which is used for making fertilizers. Hydrogen. It is used for making ammonia, which is used for making fertilizers, as fuel in rockets, for building, etc. Chlorine. It is used to kill germs in water. Iodine. It is used as a tincture iodine, which is an antiseptic. Corrosion. The surface of some metals gets corroded when exposed to moist air for a long time. This is called corrosion. The most common example of corrosion is rusting of iron. Prevention of corrosion of metals. The corrosion of metals can be prevented by the following method. First, applying oil or grease on the surface of metals, applying paint or galvanization. Coating of metals with non-corrosive metals like zinc. Electroplating. Coating of metals with non-corrosive metals like chromium, tin by passing electricity. Alloying. Example, when iron is alloyed with chromium and nickel, it forms stainless steel, which is resist to corrosion. Alloy. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of a metal with other metals or non-metals. For example, steel. Steel is a mixture of iron and carbon. It is used for the construction of tools. Bronze. It is a mixture of copper and tin. It is used for making statues, medals, bells, and ornaments.